Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing about the types of, we have discussed about the various types of fractions. Okay, so the type of fraction that we have discussed yesterday, I'm just going to give you a small recall of it and then we will start with the next topic. Okay, so in the yesterday's session, that is very important. Okay, so we have discussed about the types of fraction. हमने किसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था? द टाइप ऑफ fractions. So this is the topic that we have discussed. So I'm just going to give you a small recall on it. Okay, so the first type of fraction that we have discussed yesterday is like fraction. Okay, so the first type of fraction जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी, that is like fraction. So like fractions क्या होती है? The like fractions means the fractions whose denominator are same. Okay, so जिन fractions के denominator same होते हैं, those fractions are considered as like fractions. Okay, so the fractions having same denominators are the examples are termed as like fractions. So here I am just going to give you a small example as well, like 1 upon 4, 6, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 or 4 upon 4 or so on. So all these are the form of, you can say all these are the examples of like fraction. Second that we discussed was unlike fraction. Second जो हमने डिस्कस किया था बेटा, that was unlike fraction. So what is unlike fractions? So unlike fractions are those fractions, okay, those who have different denominators, or the fractions with different denominators are termed as unlike fraction. जिन fractions के denominators अलग अलग होते हैं, they are unlike fractions. Example 4 upon 8, 3 upon 6, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 9. So as you can see that all these fractions have different denominators. So this is unlike fraction. तो ये कौन सी fractions हैं? These are unlike fractions. Clear? Third one. Like unlike now. Third is unit fraction. The third is unit fraction. What is unit fractions? So unit fractions are those fractions or the fractions those are having 1 as their numerator. Okay, those who are having 1 as their numerator are considered as a unit fraction. Okay, so the fraction with the numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Okay, so here I am just giving the example. तो देखिए 1 upon 4, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3. So all these fractions they have 1 as their numerator. तो इन सबका numerator क्या है? 1. So that's why we will call it as a unit fractions, or these all are the examples of unit fractions. Okay, the first one was like fraction, second unlike, third was unit fraction. चलिए moving next to the fourth type of fraction that we have discussed yesterday is proper fraction. So fourth हमने कौन सी डिस्कस की थी? That was proper fraction. That is proper fraction. Okay, next is proper fraction. अब proper fractions कौन सी होती है बेटा? So the fractions whose denominator is greater than its numerator. Fractions whose denominator is greater than its numerator are termed as proper fraction. Okay, जिन fractions का denominator उनके numerator से बड़ा होता है, that those fractions are termed as proper fractions. Clear? तो जो जिन fraction का denominator उनके न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा होता है आर नोन एज आर कॉल्ड, यू कैन से आर कॉल्ड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर? तो देखिए लाइक 2/7, 3/9, 4/6, 7/10. ओके, सो देखिए इन सब का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, इसके न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा. ओके, सो all these fractions have, okay, so the denominators of all these fractions are greater than its numerator. तो सबके देखिए डिनोमिनेटर बड़े हैं. 7 is greater than 2, 9 is greater than 3, 6 is greater than 4 and 10 is greater than 7. So that means all these given fractions, in this given fraction, the denominators of all the fractions are greater than its numerator. So we will term it as proper fraction. Okay, so fraction whose denominator is greater than its numerator, the fractions whose denominator is greater than its numerator are considered as proper fraction. Clear? Fifth that we decided that was improper fraction. Okay, so that is improper fraction जो हमने डिस्कस की थी. improper fraction. So देखिए अभी हमने proper की. improper means देखिए proper में the denominator is greater than numerator is proper, and in improper the denominator less than numerator is considered as improper fraction. So the fractions whose denominator is less than its numerator is considered as or is known as improper fraction or called improper fraction. ठीक है, जैसे कि 7/4, 3/2, 6/4, 9/5. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स देखिए इनकी जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं they are less than their numerators. So the denominators are less than its numerator, so we will call it as improper fraction. तो देखिए here the denominator is 4, numerator is 7, denominator is 2, numerator is 3, denominator is 4 whereas numerator is 6, denominator is 5, numerator is 9. तो देखिए सबके डिनोमिनेटर छोटे हैं. So these are the examples of improper fractions. So improper fractions are those fractions whose denominator are less than its numerator. ठीक है, चलिए sixth, the last that we had done was mixed. That was mixed fraction. Okay, so that was mixed fraction. ये कौन सा है? mixed fraction. So now what is mixed fraction? Okay, so what are mixed fraction? So when we add a number to a proper fraction, we will get a mixed fraction. जब हम proper fraction के साथ एक number है लिखेंगे, so when we combine when we combine a number with a proper fraction, the fraction we get, that is termed as mixed fraction. देखिए हमने सबसे पहले हमें कोई भी एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन ले लीजिए. लेट्स राइट 3/9. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर देन 3. लेट्स राइट 2. तो देखिए हमने एक नंबर कंबाइन कर दिया. सो नाउ वी विल टर्म इट एज 2:3/9. फ्रैक्शन क्या हो गई? दैट इज 2:3/9. सो दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन के साथ जब हम एक नंबर कंबाइन करते हैं दैट विल बिकम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो लेट्स टेक फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. 7/11 and here I just 5. 5:7/11. So that is a mixed fraction. Clear? So these were the various types of fractions that we have done. Okay, let's do the next topic, that is fractions in lowest term. So how we are going to convert a given fraction into its lowest term. So this is what we are going to discuss next. That is fraction in its lowest term, or convert fraction in its lowest term. Okay. Fraction in its lowest term. Fraction in its lowest term. Okay. So now we will learn that how we are going to convert a given fraction into lowest term. Okay. So chaliye, the first example that I am taking, that is 8/24. Okay, so this is the example that I am taking. Now we have to convert 8/24 into its lowest term. Okay, अब हमें ये जो हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन दी हुई है बेटा, we have to convert it into its lowest term. Okay, so for this what we are going to do, first of all we are going to find their common factors. So first of all हम इनका common factors निकालेंगे. Okay, so first of all we will find the common factor of their numerator as well as their denominator. Clear? So here I will teach you two methods. आपको दो मेथड बताऊंगी that how you can convert this given fraction into its lowest term. So I'll teach you the two methods. So starting with the first one. Okay, तो देखिए दोनों में हमने HCF निकालना है. Okay, so we will find the HCF of 8 and 24. हमें इन दोनों का क्या निकालना है? HCF. ठीक है. So first of all we will calculate the HCF. HCF of 8 and 24. Okay. So factors of 8. 8 के factors कौन कौन से? The factors of 8 will be 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next factors सबको पता है. Next is factors of 24. Let's find out the factors of 24. 24 के factors कौन कौन से होंगे? The factors will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, then it's 12 and then 20. So the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12 and 24. तो देखिए now we have written the factors of 24 as well as of 8. हमारे पास दोनों के factors आ गए. Now we will find their HCF. HCF means highest common factor of 8 and 24. 8 और 24 का हमें हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर निकालना है. तो तो सबसे पहले हम देखिए कॉमन फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं. दैट इज 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so they both have 4 common factors. So they both have 4 common factors. ठीक है, कॉमन फैक्टर्स कौन से हो गए? 1, 2, 4 एंड 8. अब इसमें से सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कौन सा है? Which is the okay, so in spite of writing HCF, let's write down the common factors. Okay, common फैक्टर्स, ऐसे फैक्टर्स जो कि 8 का भी फैक्टर हो और 24 का भी. तो दोनों के कॉमन फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं? दैट इज 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are the common factors. So what is HCF? HCF सबसे बड़ा कॉमन फैक्टर्स में सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर कौन सा है? दैट इज 8. HCF is 8. So that means the highest common factor of 8 and 24 is 8. इन दोनों का highest common factor क्या हो गया? 8 and 8. Now for converting into a, अब हमारा मेन क्वेश्चन क्या था कि फैक्टर फ्रैक्शंस इनटू लोएस्ट टर्म. फ्रैक्शंस को हमें लोएस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, सो दिस वाज द मेन टॉपिक. सो लोएस्ट टर्म, नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट द फ्रैक्शन इनटू इट्स लोएस्ट टर्म. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? जो हमारा कॉमन HCF आया है, वी विल डिवाइड द गिवन फ्रैक्शन विद आवर HCF. So that means we are going to divide 8 upon 24 with our HCF. That is 8. Okay. For converting the given fraction into its lowest term, we are going to divide the given fraction with the HCF. तो जो हमारे पास HCF आया है, वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड विद इट विद द HCF. जो हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन है, वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड दैट विद आवर HCF. जो हमने HCF निकालना है उससे हम अपनी जो फ्रैक्शन जिसको हमें लोएस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट. सो लेट्स डिवाइड. डिवाइड डजंट मीन कि सिर्फ दोनों को इकट्ठे, न्यूमरेटर को अलग डिवाइड करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को अलग डिवाइड करेंगे, बट दोनों को वी विल डिवाइड विद द सेम HCF. ठीक है. सो 8 को 8 से डिवाइड करिए, यू विल गेट 1. देन यू विल डिवाइड 24 विद 8. जब आप 24 को 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे, यू विल गेट 3. You will get 3. So that means the lowest term of 8 upon 24 is 1 upon 3. Lowest term of 8 upon 24 is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is the lowest term of 8 upon 24. Okay. So this is the first method that you can use to find out the lowest term of the given number. ओके, चलिए. सो ये तो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट मेथड बताया. लेट्स मूव टू द सेकंड मेथड. आई एम टेकिंग द सेम फ्रैक्शन, ओके, एंड आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग द अनदर मेथड टू कन्वर्ट अ फ्रैक्शन इनटू इट्स लोएस्ट टर्म. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अनदर मेथड टू कन्वर्ट अ गिवन फ्रैक्शन इनटू इट्स लोएस्ट टर्म. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग 8 upon 24. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will find the LCM of both. Okay, so इसके हमें LCM 8 और 12 का 24 we will find the LCM. Okay, LCM कैसे निकालते हैं? First of all we will find the LCM of 8. Okay, we are going to find the LCM of 8. So let's find the LCM of 8. Okay. सो अब इसके एलसीएम निकालने के लिए बेटा सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड दिस 8 विद द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर दैट वी कैन विद. सो लेट्स डिवाइड 8 विद 2. ओके, 2. वी विल स्टार्ट इन. देखिए एलसीएम निकालने का एक तरीका क्या होता है बेटा? वी विल जस्ट सिंपली डिवाइड 8 विद द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो 8 को हम स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड, दैट इज 2. 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 4. अब 4 को किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? वी कैन डिवाइड इट विद 2. ओके, 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 2. ओके, अगेन 2 को हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे, 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 1. सो दैट मीन्स जिसके नंबर का हम एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे बेटा, उसको सबसे पहले हम हमें उसको डिवाइड करते करते हम उसको 1 तक लेके आएंगे. ओके, सो वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इट अप टू 1. हमें उसे 1 तक लाना है. ठीक है, तो डिवाइड ऐसे शो करते हैं. 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट 4, 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट 2, 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट 1. ओके, सो एलसीएम में हमने क्या क्या नंबर फैक्टर्स या नंबर्स जो हमें मिले, दैट इज, इसको हम आपस में क्या करेंगे, वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. ओके, तो ये जो हमने निकाला है यहाँ पे एलसीएम 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, वी विल राइट इट हियर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट द नंबर इज 24. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 24. चलिए, लेट्स डिवाइड 24. Okay, so let's divide 24. So again we will take a very small number to divide 24. So the smallest number to divide with 24 we will take, that is 2. Okay, 2. So let's divide 24 with 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. If we divide 24 with 2 you will get 12. कि 24 को जब 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे वी विल, देखिए इसमें जो व्हेन वी डिवाइड वी ऑलवेज टेक द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. ये नहीं किसी बड़े नंबर से डिवाइड करके ख़त्म करना है. वी ऑलवेज यूज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर टू डिवाइड. ओके, तो पहले वाले में भी हमने 2 लिया था. इन दिस ऑल्सो वी विल टेक 2 ओनली. ओके, सो 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट 12. नॉट 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 अगैन, दैट विल बी 6. 6 को भी हम वी कैन डिवाइड विद 2. यस, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay, so can we divide 3 with 2? No. So इसके बाद जो next smallest number जिससे कि 3 divide हो जाए completely, that will be 3 only. So 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. तो देखिए हम 24 को 1 तक ले आए by dividing it at different we divided the number 2 and 3. So देखिए the number we obtained, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. ओके, तो ये हमारे पास आ गया 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. सो नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द HCF. अब इसमें से हमें कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. अब बेटा इसमें हम HCF निकालने का हमारा क्या तरीका है, HCF फॉर दिस वी विल जस्ट टेक द कॉमन नंबर्स. लाइक देखिए वी विल मेक अ पेयर. हम एक पेयर बनाएंगे, जिसका पेयर बनेगा हम उसको लेंगे, जिसका पेयर नहीं बनेगा वी विल नॉट टेक इट. देट एज वी कैन मेक अ पेयर ऑफ दीज 2, इन दोनों 2 को मिला के 8 2. ओके, 2 2, yes we can make a pair with this also, that is 2. 2 and 2, let's make the pair of these 2 also, that is 2. ओके, 3 के साथ कोई पेयर बनाने के लिए है हमारे पास? नो. तो इसको हम ऐसे ही छोड़ दें. ओके, सो वी विल लीव 3 लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, सो नाउ आफ्टर पेयरिंग वी गॉट द कॉमन नंबर्स लाइक 2 2 and 2. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is 8. So the highest common factor जो हमें मिला, that is 8. देखिए in the previous method we have found the HCF, that was also 8, and in this method with the HCF we got, that is also 8. देखिए HCF find out करना है, you can use that method or you can use this method as well. So this is totally up to you. So whichever method you think that it suits or you can understand easily, you can use that method. Okay, so let's convert. Now we have calculated the HCF of 8 and 24, that is 8. So let's convert the fraction into its lowest term. बिल्कुल exactly that we have done in the previous method. Lowest, sorry, now we are going to convert lowest term of 8 upon 24. Okay, lowest term of 8 upon 24 is equal to, that means we are going to divide 8 upon 24 with the HCF, that is 8. Okay, so we will divide numerator with 8, denominator also with the same number, that is 8. So let's divide 8 divided by 8, that is 1. 24 divided by 8, that is 3. So the answer we got after converting the fraction into its lowest term is 1 upon 3. Okay, so after converting 8 upon 24 into lowest term, the number we got, the answer we got, that is 1 upon 3. So these two methods you can use to convert the given fraction into its lowest term. Okay, so I will just give you one more example. Okay, so I think the first method suits better because already आपने factors वगैरह find out किए हैं and that will be easy for you to find the factors. So I will start with the first method again. So let's take one more example. Okay, with another fraction. चलिए. So the next fraction that we'll take, that is 15 and 21. Okay. The next is 15 upon 21. So now we have to convert 15 and 21 into its lowest term. So let's find out factors of 15. So factors of 15 will be, कौन-कौन से होंगे? That is 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, so these are the factors of 15. Next, factors of 21. Factors of 21. Let's find out the factors of 21. So factors of 21 will be 1, 3, 7 and no another number is here, that is 21. Okay, so these are the factors of 21, that is 1, 3, 7 and 21. This is 21. Okay, now let's find out the common factor. Common factors. Their common factors is 1, 3. Any other number is their common factor? No. So there are only two common factors of 15 and 21 is 1 and 3. So here we have calculated the common factor. Now what's the HCF? तो common factors में सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है? Common factor कौन सा है? That is 3. So the HCF of 15 and 21, then the highest common factor of 15 and 21 is 3. Okay. Now we can convert 15 upon 21 into its lowest term. Lowest term of 15 upon 21. For this we are going to divide 15 with 3, that is the HCF, and 21 also along with 3. So let's divide them both with 3. 15 divided by 3. After dividing 15 with 3, you will get 5. After dividing 21 with 3, you will get 7. So the lowest term of 15 upon 21 is 5 upon 7. The lowest term of 15 upon 21 is 5 upon 7. Okay, that is 5 upon 7 and this is the answer. Okay, so this is the method that I have used for calculating the lowest or for converting a given fraction into its lowest term. Okay class, so in the next session we will start with exercise sums, okay, given at exercise 8.5. okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.